To do landscaping takeoff using the Quick Measure on-screen software, we bring the plan up onto the screen and we put in the scale, which is 1 to 20. And if, let's say we want to measure the square footage of the hydromulch areas as drawn on the screen here. We will select for a square footage measurement, and we can start anywhere we want, and we'll just click around with our mouse surrounding the perimeter of the hydromulch area. If you notice, we're just clicking with our mouse going along the perimeter line here, and it's just simply, if you notice, by the way, we have a color that we've selected to follow along with us. So we'll just go work our way around, hit a couple extra mouse clicks around a radial turn here where it starts to curve, and then we'll come back around. And if you notice, the color stays with us, tracking what we're doing the whole time to give us a very precise, clear visual track of what we're doing. And also, once we finish, we can print out the color area, and then we can give that to the guys in the field or include it as part of our bid. So then we come around all the way to where we started, and now we took off that area for hydromulch. Now at the top of the screen, we simply hit the Done button, and what that does is that'll then transfer that takeoff quantity we just made directly back to an Excel spreadsheet. Now you can use this with your own Excel sheets to help you price out your bids. It's a very precise measurement using the Quick Measure on-screen software.